This guy lost his cell phone again. Siya pala niya. Ano?
Right there. I fell down.
Yeah, right here.
Right here.
It's all down here?
Yeah.
Why?
Too much population. Don't know where to go. You're an expert? No.
Yeah.
That'd be regular. Oh, that's past the sun, right?
Siya po, katas dan eh.